Whether you are looking to buy your first home or trading up to a larger one, there are a number of costs on top of the purchase price that figure into your calculation of affordability. It's important for you to know that some of these extra fees could be so not to be surprised on closing day. Number 1. Appraisal fee. Your lending institution may request an appraisal of the property, which would be your responsibility to pay for. Number 2. Property tax. Depending on your down payment, your lending institution may decide to include your property taxes in your monthly mortgage payments. Number 3. Survey fee. If the purchase is a resale home, your lending institution may ask for an updated property survey. Number 4. Property insurance. Home insurance covers the replacement value of your home, the structure, and the contents. Number 5. Service charges. Any new utility that services your home, such as telephone or cable, may require an installation fee. Number 6. Legal fees. You may have a lawyer helping you when you purchase a home. Number 7. Mortgage loan insurance. Depending on the equity in your home, some mortgages require mortgage loan insurance payments are usually made monthly. Number 8. Mortgage broker's fee. A mortgage broker may charge a fee in order to source a lender and organize the financing. Number 9. Moving costs. The rate usually rises 10 to 20% during peak demand seasons. Number 10. Maintenance fees. Condominiums charge monthly fees for common area maintenance. Number 11. Water quality and quality certification. If the home you are looking to purchase is serviced by a well, you should consider having the water checked by local experts. Number 12. Local improvement. If the town you live in or will be moving to has made local improvements, such as addition of services and sidewalks, property taxes could be impacted. Number 13. Land transfer tax. This tax is applied whenever property changes hands. The amount applied can vary. Our certified agents will work with your lender to get up to $7,500 in closing cost credit, which can cover some of these costs for you. Arming yourself with the right information will ensure that you are budgeting your property and making all the right moves before purchasing your new home. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. We wish you all the best in finding the home of your dreams.